Here are the 9 steps to midbrain activation. Step number 1 is brain gym. We'll go through each one of them in as brief as possible. Brain gym, as we all know, helps us stabilize, synchronize and lateralize both parts of our brain. According to Roger Sperry's studies, we have 2 hemispheres, the left as well as the right, the logical as well as the emotional. So brain gym is one way to make us whole brain. There are 36 commonly known brain gyms. Some of them are as simple like thumb and pinky, the 2 and 3 and the 5 and L. And in the description below, we will give you the link so you can go and practice them. That's the first step for brain activation. Nikola Tesla said, if we have to understand our universe, if we understand our galaxy, let's talk in terms of frequencies. Yes, it's all about waves, amplitude, and music is all about it. Sound therapy is the second one. There are certain set of sounds, very rare sounds, we can actually activate our midbrain. Third one is blindfold practice. Blind people, and when they lose this particular ability of not able to see, what happens? The rest of the other senses are heightened. The hearing sense of smell, the sense of taste and touch and feel really heightened. So blindfold activities is one which actually gives an enormous amount of stress on our midbrain, thus helping us in the process of midbrain activation. Here's the riddle for you. It's a light thing, but even the strongest of person can't hold it. What it is? It's our breath. Let's get serious. Breathing techniques, breathing exercises. This 4 breathing exercises helps us and accelerates our midbrain activation. B breathing, alternate nasal breathing, energizer and super brain yoga. These 4 exercises are must mandatory to be done every single day for our midbrain activation. Number 5 is meditation. Any sort of meditation is going to help you for your midbrain activation. In the description column, we will give you a couple of links. Why meditation? What is the science of meditation and who are doing meditation? Meditation is one very important thing that we need to do for our midbrain activation. Number 6, creative visualization. Here's the secret for you. Brain loves and only remember pictures. Brain can only see in terms of picture. Creative visualization is another very important thing that we need to do for our midbrain activation. Visualize. Midbrain in our ancient scriptures is also referred as third eye. So obviously there has to be got to be eye exercises. Tradak 1, Tradak 2, Tradak 3 and the flame Tradak. These 4 exercises should be done on a regular basis, especially the flame Tradak. The Jyoti Dhyanam is mandatory for midbrain activation. Number 8 is hypnosis or hypnotherapy. Our brain has a conscious mind as well as a subconscious mind. Conscious mind is the one which collects all the information through all our 5 senses and stores it into our subconscious mind. But subconscious mind, as we all know, it's the one which is running us, which is the governing, is running everything from our blood pressure to our heart, is running all our thoughts, all our behaviors, everything to subconscious mind. In hypnosis, the conscious mind is put on the back seat and subconscious mind is ready to access. Yes, so any suggestions or auto suggestions given during a time of hypnosis, during the particular state of hypnosis, goes directly into the subconscious mind. Therefore, the transformation or the change that you're looking at happens very quickly, just like that. This is the power of hypnosis. The final step to midbrain activation is self-healing, or also called as touch therapy. There are certain ways where you can touch yourself and heal yourself and energize yourself. One simple example is, you must have seen people do this during meditation. Once they're done, they warm their heart, they generate some heat and keep it in front of their eyes, and they heal themselves up before opening their eyes. To do all this. So in this midbrain activation program, we'll be giving you certain ways how you can use this kinesthetic way of learning or kinesthetic way of healing ourselves for midbrain activation. These 9 steps are the steps to midbrain activation. When done correctly, skillfully and practiced on a regular basis, will definitely have your pineal gland or your midbrain activated. After that, creativity, imagination, problem solving skills and decision making skills will be all there. Your learning capabilities will be much more faster. So what are you waiting for? Start practicing it.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number 1 in studies and number 1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us and inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website www.superbhumans.com. Thank you so much.